Alright, so I'm packing 600 horsepower, 800 newton meters of torque, powered to all four wheels via a twin-turbo V8 with a quattro system.
I'm relying on pure manpower, rear-wheel driveness, and a good gearbox. And 540 horsepower at my right foot.
It's also a V10. This is a good day, isn't it?
I've had worse.
Bro, you have no chance. You got no chance. All-wheel drive, no way. And I got more horsepower.
Let's let the cars do the talking, shall we? All right, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah! Eat my dust! All-wheel drive! This is what you get! Woo-hoo! And across the line! Oh, he really almost caught up right there at the end. Yeah!
I think I got a bad start on that. I would like a repeat.
Excuses, but it's hard to launch a rear-wheel drive car, so I understand, and we will do it again. I told you. You want a fast car, get the RS6 or the RS7.
You see, I was saved by the bell because ISO wasn't rolling. All right, get ready, guys. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I will admit, off the line, your car is faster. I should have kept my mouth shut, but nevertheless, I will admit defeat. However, how about a roll race?
I agree. Let's do a rolling race.
Can we start at 60 kilometers an hour?
All right, 60 kilometers an hour in gear. I feel like I'm going to lose this one because he keeps catching up at the end. So, yeah, but off the line, it just leaves that R8 for dead. Okay, so let's move up to 60 kilometers an hour, and then we'll gun it from there. All right, let's go. Oh, no! He's inching away! No, 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 no! I think we could safely say that the score is even between these cars.
Yeah, so we have concluded that the RS6 is a very good car, although you refuse to race it. The RS7 is good for the launch, and the R8 is good for a getaway.
And probably track action.
Agreed. I think we'll conclude on that and give the people what they want. And this trio all together.